To enable and use all air gestures in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the Honor AI, and then on the bottom there's air gestures. Inside we have three options for it. First one is air scroll. You will need to click on each of them and enable them before you're gonna use them. So air scroll looks like this. You will need to perform a swipe with your hand like this or like this in front of the camera, because the camera needs to detect that, and that way you'll be able to scroll around the pages if the page allows it. We should be able to scroll down. Now those features sometimes work, sometimes they got messed up, like it's taking a screenshot because it thinks that we're doing a grab shot. So you will need to get used to it, or you can turn off different air gestures just to use one that you like. Here we have the grab shot. You will need to show the palm of your hand in front of the camera and then clench it in the fist. That way you'll be able to take a screenshot. Air back, if you perform something like this with your hand, it should go back, like perform a back action on your phone. It just needs to detect it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.